Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you that how to connect your mobile data on your iPhone or your mobile data internet on your iPhone to your PC, laptop or iPad. For example, if you are traveling on a freeway or you are somewhere where there is no internet connection available on your laptop or iPad, but there is mobile data available on your phone, so you can connect your mobile data internet to your laptop and you can be able to use your mobile data internet on your laptop and you can browse, you can watch movies, you can do whatever you like, right? So in today's video I'm gonna show you that, right? So what you're gonna do first on your phone, you're gonna go on to settings. So I type settings here in search and the settings will come up over here. So I'll click on settings and then I will click on personal hotspot. If it doesn't show up on your screen, on your mobile phone screen, you can always type hotspot and it will come up here as soon as you start typing it. So you click on personal hotspot. So right now it's already been selected, so you need to, sometimes it's not selected, so you need to select personal hotspot. Alright, so you can I can show you again. Either you directly click on your personal hotspot like this, or you click on your mobile and then personal hotspot, right? So both ways you can go on to personal hotspot and make sure it's enabled. And then now you go on to your laptop and then you click on your Wi-Fi here as I'm doing, you can see on the screen, and then click on Wi-Fi and then you see this iPhone 6. So as soon as I clicked on iPhone 6, it's automatically connected to my iPhone, and that's how your iPhone mobile data internet is connected to your laptop. And now I can browse, I can do whatever I like. So when I type google.com, it comes up here and you can see how fast it is. So it's not slow at all, it's very fast internet you are using from your mobile phone. So I repeat my steps again, that you go on to settings and then you click on personal hotspot and then you make sure that allow others to join is enabled. Most of the time is disabled, so you enable it and then you go on to the screen of your laptop. At the bottom right, this Wi-Fi sign, you can see the arrow where I'm clicking. Right now it's connected. Let's say it's disconnected. Let's say it's disconnected. So I'll go on to again Wi-Fi, and this is the one iPhone 6 I need to click on, and then I click on, if you click on connect automatically, you do not have to select it, it will automatically connect to your mobile data mobile data internet on your phone as soon as you enable personal hotspots. So I click connect automatically and then it is connected, right? I hope you understand what I just said and I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.